Whoa, look at this. Woo, there's a post right there. Metal one. Careful. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, another exploring video. We're over here in the San Fernando Valley, beautiful Los Angeles, California. And I'm with Liam, the homie, with the Talaria MX3. And we're about to hit this mini trail. You know, I don't think it's something too crazy. I am on my beautiful Surron today, and this is a beautiful day to go exploring before we start getting more rain over here in LA. So taking advantage of that, and hopefully you guys can hang out with me today. That would be cool. Look at that, we got some dirt bikers making their way up. Let's go! Let's go! Have fun, guys! Those are our brothers from another universe. It smells like smells like someone's being medicated. Okay, so this changed a little bit too. Well, I haven't been here in like at least a year. And last time I was here, there was a bunch of like loose rocks coming down this thing. Now it's a lot more packed and compact. Oh my god. A lot more packed and compact. Whoa, look at this. Have some fun over here, but I do not know this trail actually, so probably be smart not to push it. See what water does, guys. Look at this. Look at what water does, and look what a tire does. How do you even compare the two? Like, what the hell, man? How do you even dare to compare the two? It's pissing me off, making me ride fast. There's another uphill. I don't know where that goes. This trail is nice for the most part. Ooh, it's throwing stuff at me. Things are flying at me. That cool little trail. Slippery. Very slippery. Look at these guys' backyard. Right into the trail system. It's crazy. Woo! There's a post right there. Metal one. Careful. Okay, that was harmless. It's beautiful over here. Wow, this place is amazing. It's like, this is such a sick place for like paintball or like airsoft. Super dope. This was fun. This is the type of exploring I like to do. This is super fun for me, trails like this. Well, alright guys, that was a little shorter of a video today. Kind of exploring some of the stuff that we have around us and seeing what changed and having some fun on our beautiful bikes. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you want to support the channel, the only way to do that is to subscribe and like the video. If you want to support the channel in other ways, I do have merch, which I'll have a link in the description for. Some Volted merch. Got some gloves, Volted gloves, and there's a Volted keychain. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.